A very good morning to our honorable chief guest, respected teachers, parents and my fellow participants. I, Kavisha Sharma, deem it my proud privilege to welcome you all to the third edition of Harmony Inter-School Performing Arts Competition. Before we begin, let us all seek the blessings of the Almighty by lighting the lamp.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
It is our holy tradition to worship the goddess of wisdom, Ma Saraswati, before any important event for prosperity and happiness of everybody around us. Thus, I would like to call upon Samiha and Paulmi to recite the Saraswati Vandana.
A very warm welcome to each one of you present here. Music and dance together create an emotional quotient, always complementing one another. To my mind, a musical performance may be considered as a kind of dance, performed by the instrumentalist's arms, hands, and fingers, whereas movements performed by dancers may be considered as a source of sound and music. Every year, Unison World School organizes an all India inter school music and dance competition, Harmony, that brings together our young artists who showcase their talents and leave the audience in awe of their performance. It is a heaven for music and dance lovers, as one does not get to witness such a performance all the time. This being an unprecedented year, people were apprehensive about the event being hosted, but the optimistic team of students and teachers at Unison World School were all set to challenge the status quo and derive the best out of this crisis. The creative and innovative team put their minds together and have developed and designed this brilliantly designed, first of its kind virtual event. Not only have we carried forward the tradition of hosting Harmony for the past 3 years, this year, 3 new categories of blissful and rejuvenating sound of music and ballistic dance moves have also been added to captivate the minds of all those witnessing it. Students from a diverse group of 20 schools covering the expanse from the east to the west and north to south have participated. The various types of events and performances include Indian and Western music, both instrumental and vocal, solo and group performances, and many more mesmerizing and creative expression forms. Preparations for the event started well in advance, with performers rehearsing their dance and music recitals, sending their entries to be judged by an esteemed panel of 12 judges. This year's judging panel boasts of some of the most highly regarded professionals, comprising of Mr. Darmora, Mr. Sarkar, Mr. Kanade, Mr. Ghosh, Mr. Bhattacharji, Mr. Hussain, Mr. Rawat, Mr. Funsuk, Mr. Thapa, Mr. Chakrabarti, Mr. Basu, and Mr. Paul. Between them, they have a plethora of knowledge and expertise that makes them well qualified to evaluate the entries of students. Each of them is an iconic figure in their field and have contributed their time, expertise, and attention to detail. I thank you all for gracing this occasion. The rolling trophy for the event for 2018-19 was with Unison World School, Dehradun, and for the year 2019-20, it is with Vellum Girls School, Dehradun. Harmony now comes alive with music and dance. Hold your breath to a delightful introduction to musical elements of rhythm, pitch, and movement. I shall now request our activity prefect, Ms. Ribya Kullar, to take the program forward.
How staggering are the day and the vibrations that we as a whole are encountering. Very soon the enthusiasm of this event will get even more exciting with each performance. Good morning to one and all present here. To begin with, I quote Sir George. When music, dance and drama create with accord, their magic captivates both hearts and minds. Unquote. Honorable Principal Ms. Divya Divedi, respected Vice Principal Dr. Mona Khanna, Dean Activities, Dean Pastoral Care, eminent judges, respected teachers, my dear participants and fellow students. On behalf of Unison World School, I, Ribya Kullar, Activity Prefect, take immense pride in welcoming you all to the 3rd edition of Harmony, like never before. As we all know, dance has no barriers. It is something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something that everyone can enjoy. It is a standout among the most purest forms of art. I accept it goes much past simply shaking your hands and legs. Dance is an approach to express your feelings and emotions without speaking anything, whereas music causes in offering life to this artistic expression, and it is a crucial part of the dance. Numerous artists are of the view that music is an expression of their identity and bears a direct association to the spirits. The music opens up the unlimited conceivable outcomes and helps the artist in drawing out the best in them. This pandemic may have locked us humans within the four walls, but not our creativity, for creativity knows no bounds. This year, 257 students from 20 renowned schools participated. This mega event included folk raga, Ritu Rang, Spirit in Motion, Dance Around the World, Rock the Highway, The Thespian, Expression and Tarang. Every participant has given their best and their unique expressions and skills were highly appreciated by all. With lots of regards, I welcome the judges and teachers of all the schools. Behind any successful and enjoyable performance by an individual, there is an unconditional support provided by his or her parents. With heartful regards, I extend a warm welcome to all the parents witnessing this ceremony online. Finally, I wholeheartedly welcome each one present here to the exciting beginning of the annual cultural event Harmony, like never before. And on behalf of Unison World School, I extend my best wishes to all the participants of the competition. May the best one triumph. This year, we had the following categories for Harmony: Folk Raga, Ritu Rang, Spirit in Motion, Tarang, Expression, The Thespian, Rock the Highway and Dance Around the World. The first category was Folk Raga. In this category, the participants were supposed to sing an authentic folk song on any particular Indian region or state. The performance duration was 2 to 3 minutes. Assam Valley School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Mayo College Boys, Oak Grove School, Purukul Youth Development Society, Summer Valley School, Mayo College Girls School, Welham Girls School, The Doon School, Sri Ram Centennial School, The Heritage School, The Emerald Heights International School, Kasiga School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Mr. Dipankar, Mr. Himanshu and Mr. Santosh. Our second category was Ritu Rang. In this category, the participants were supposed to perform a classical dance in a trio, and the duration for this category was 2 to 3 minutes. The following schools participated in this category: Assam Valley School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Oak Grove School, Purukul Youth Development Society, Summer Valley School, Mayo College Girls School, Hyderabad Public School, Cygnus World School, Welham Girls School, Sri Ram Centennial School, The Heritage School, The Emerald Heights International School, Hopetown Girls School, Maharaja Savai Bhavani Singh School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Miss Ranjini Bhattacharjee, Mr. Sushanta Ghosh and Mr. Alvi Hussain. Our third category was Spirit in Motion. In this category, the participants were supposed to perform a semi-classical dance in a trio, and the duration for this category was 2 to 3 minutes. The following schools participated in this category: Assam Valley School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Mayo College Boys, Oak Grove School, Purukul Youth Development Society, Hyderabad Public School, Welham Girls School, Sri Ram Centennial School, The Heritage School, The Emerald Heights International School, Kasiga School, Hopetown Girls School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Miss Ranjini Bhattacharjee, Mr. Sushanta Ghosh, and Mr. Alvi Hussain. Our fourth category was Dance Around the World. In this category, the participants were supposed to showcase their Western dance performance of the duration 2 to 3 minutes, and the performance should be on an instrumental music. The following schools participated in this category: Assam Valley School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Mayo College Boys, Oak Grove School, Purukul Youth Development Society, Summer Valley School, Mayo College Girls School, Hyderabad Public School, Cygnus World School, The Doon School, Sri Ram Centennial School, The Heritage School, Hopetown Girls School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Miss Ranjini Bhattacharjee, Mr. Sushanta Ghosh, and Mr. Alvi Hussain. The fifth category was Rock the Highway. In this category, the participants were supposed to showcase a band performance of 4 instruments and 1 vocalist. The duration for this category was 2 to 3 minutes. The following schools participated in this category: Bombay Scottish School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Mayo College Boys, The Doon School, Sri Ram Centennial School, The Heritage School, The Emerald Heights International School, Hopetown Girls School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Mr. Tenzin, Mr. Rohan, and Mr. Gautam. Our next category is the Thespian. In this category, the participants were supposed to perform a mime act of a duration 2 to 3 minutes. The following schools participated in this category: Convent of Jesus and Mary, Oak Grove School, Mayo College Girls School, Cygnus World School, Sri Ram Centennial School, Hopetown Girls School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Miss Roshni Chakrabarti, Mr. Pranab Basu, and Mr. Dev Kumar Paul. Our seventh category was Expression, Own Your Studio. In this category, the participants were supposed to make an original music video composing self-composed music and an original storyline. The following schools participated in this category: Convent of Jesus and Mary, Oak Grove School, Shriram Centennial School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Miss Roshni Chakrabarti, Mr. Pranab Basu, and Mr. Deb Kumar Paul. The last category for this event was Tarang. In this category, the participants were supposed to play one main classical instrument, which could be accompanied by a maximum of 2 other classical instruments. The duration for this category was 2 to 3 minutes, and the participants could play any music, classical or semi-classical. The following schools participated in this category: Assam Valley School, Convent of Jesus and Mary, Mayo College Boys, Welham Boys School, Welham Girls School, Dadoon School, Shriram Centennial School, The Heritage School, Hopetown Girls School, and Unison World School. The following were the judges for this category: Mr. Himanshu, Mr. Santosh, and Mr. Dipankar. Mr. Gaurav Pandey is a professional actor. He has done his schooling from Selakwi International School, Dehradun. He has appeared in many ads for many brands such as Colgate Plex, KFC, Sprite, and many others. His first film appearance was in the supporting role of Shanti in Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania in 2014. He has also been starred in a Siddharth Sikka short film, The Love Bites. In 2015, he appeared in the Y film web series A Man's World. He also appeared in a Remo D'Souza film, A Flying Jet, in 2016. We are fortunate to have Mr. Gaurav Pandey as a part of this event, and we are really thankful to him for sending his best wishes through a video. And now I would like to present that video.
Hi, my name is Gaurav Pandey and I'm an actor. I am basically, my mind is blown. I'm amazed. And I'm not saying that because I'm recording this video, I'm saying that because I feel it. I feel it when I see a kid spending their time and energy on making themselves a better version of themselves. I love it, and which is what Unison World School has been doing for the past, I think, 3 years with this event called Harmony. I suppose the 3rd year that they'll have the event. They're facing a lot of problems because of the situation, the COVID situation. But here's the thing, with all the struggles and challenges, they are going to be live this time also this year. And basically this event is about showcasing your talent. Showcasing how creative, how talented, how much energy and time you have spent on learning a craft. It can be playing an instrument, classical, semi-classical, singing, dancing, again, modern, classical, semi-classical, and all kinds of categories, and miming and acting. And I've seen some videos and I'm amazed. That's why I'm amazed, because I see the talent and I realize how much that I could have done, how much I can still do, because I'm motivated by these kids. And I wouldn't want you to miss the event. So I would want you to go through all the videos. There are schools from all over India performing. There's so many students performing, and they're doing all kinds of stuff, and you will love it. So please do follow. It's called Harmony by Unison World School. Thank you for having me on board and recording this video for you guys.
Miss Shruti Mishra is a professional classical dancer, Jaipur Gharana, and a MA in Kathak. She is currently an assistant professor at IIS University, where she is teaching Kathak and folk dance at a graduation level. She has been a part of all big festivals in India. She is well known as a Sufi Kathak artist from Rajasthan. She has introduced fusion Kathak in her style of dancing, where she dances on Sufi qawwalis with Rajasthan folk singer. She is taking her dance training from Dr. Reema Goyal. She has been a senior disciple of Dr. Rekha Thakkar, who is currently the principal of Jaipur Kathak Kendra. Under her guidance, she has performed for Rajasthan tourism and also all around the country. Now, I would also like to thank Ms. Shruti Mishra for sending her warm wishes and for acknowledging the efforts of our participants. It's been a pleasure to have you as a part of Harmony.
I am Shruti Mishra, Sufi Kathak artist from Jaipur Gharana. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Madam Principal, faculty members and administration of Unison World School Dehradun for being the pioneer of conducting such a big event in this unprecedented time. I feel art has the power to elevate human creativity, and what is the best time than exercising this power in this pandemic? I have been a dancer all my life, and seeing so many artists coming along and performing in this inter-school dance and music competition, I am very excited. I am deeply honored and thankful to Ma'am Principal and administration for making me a part of this beautiful journey. To all the participants, go out and have a great time. All the best, and may the best team win. Keep pursuing your art with the same purity and sincerity. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay safe.
I would like to thank Mr. Gaurav Pandey and Ms. Shruti Mishra for acknowledging the efforts of our participants. We really appreciate you taking out time for us from your busy schedule, and also it's been a pleasure to have you as a part of our event Harmony like never before. We follow the rolling trophy system. Every year, the winner school is given this trophy. In 2018, this trophy was backed by Unison World School. In 2019, this trophy was backed by Welham Girls School.
Thank you, Vidya. Thus, we come to an end to the opening ceremony of Harmony 2020. You all are requested to stay tuned to Unison World School's social media platforms for further event-wise display and result declaration. Thank you.